All right, so I just want to quickly take a look at this issue where a lot of people are having with blinking light fixtures pretty much flickering, or it goes out very frequently, or it basically you might have any fixture, any type of a light fixture where you just screw on light bulb, or it could be recessed light, it could be track lighting, wherever you just screw on the light bulb where you have a socket inside of the fixture. This problem is very, very common. So what happens is when you screw on this light bulb, it has two contacts, right? You have a neutral goes here, and you have your positive right there, hot, which this little pin, usually what happens is it gets, after making poor contact, it will start arcing here, it will start building dirt, oxidation because it's copper, and sometimes where people just screw this very tight, this thing will have pretty much very, very flat, like it will go all the way back in there, and every time you screw this in, the new light bulb in, it will be making less and less contact with the light bulb. So what you need to do to define if you have power in this socket is, all you need is just, well, if you don't have voltmeter, but if you do, it's best to just have the circuit on and make sure you don't touch with this metal both at the same time, so you don't short it out. So you touch the positive, neutral, and see if you get a 120, 125 reading. If you don't have it, you can have basically just a hot stick voltage tester as well, and just stick it in there to see if you get a basically hot wire indication that there's a power inside of this socket, but you don't have a power. I mean, you don't have lighting up. So in that case, shut the power off and just use something like this. This is a trim remover, non-metallic, just to lift up this contact at the bottom. What I do is just bend it a little bit upwards and just clean the surface a little bit up there, and then screw in the light bulb and see if that helps. But many times I've seen where in one circuit there are multiple lights and one doesn't work or just flickers, and people just decide to replace the entire fixture, or decide to replace the entire can light or whatever you might have. That's the very common. In very rare cases you have a poor connection at the switch, but if you have in one circuit multiple lights and only one or two flickering, that's not a switch issue for sure. But if you have one light fixture where it's only feeding one light fixture with one switch, you might want to take a look at the switch as well and make sure that if the wiring was backstabbed, that it's not basically sending basically interrupted signal through, the current through the switch. So the best way would be just to remove the backstab wiring and just hook it up on the sides, and then proceed to this procedure where you just take a look at the sockets, because sometimes those sockets have a little hole, and that pin, just as you tighten the light bulb more tighter, it will just push it all the way in. And sometimes those pins are very cheaply made, and it just gets super flat, or it just barely makes a contact with the light bulb. So I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.